Oh, hold on. Hello, people. Today we're going to be back on I'm Cat because clearly, hold on. Clearly, lots of you enjoyed the first I'm Cat video, so we're going to do another one. But we're going to be unlocking the garage today. The garage. Don't know if we can actually unlock the garage. Because you need to complete a certain amount of tasks. So let's try though. And poor attack. Let's get headed on. Oh, coming soon. There's a mill? Oh, I thought it was like a dumping. Alright, let's wait for it. I don't know what the. I don't remember him. We're gonna cook this guy first. Don't talk about that, okay? Let's try and snag one of them. The epic. No, I don't know if we can get him. Your granny's on her phone. Damn, I can't get him. Sorry, guys. But you know what we can get? This little guy. Oh. Whew. Come on, little buddy. Snap. Alright. Yeah, John Cena slam. I am John Cena. Let's see if you can pat him, because I know you can pat him, but it's like very hard to do. I don't know. Well, you didn't click on this video for nothing, so let's get straight to Don't tell me you can go upstairs now. Shut up. Well, apparently we need to go downstairs. I think I've completed enough missions. Bro, shut up. Alright, apparently it's in that piggy bank. Alright, Mr. Piggy, and down you go. Is Granny gonna get mad? Or Granny got mad at that? Oh, see.
Open the seal. You've got
You don't even speak English, lady. You guys, comment. Say in the comments that Granny needs to learn how to speak English. Cause I'm her little pet, and I know how to speak English. Meanwhile, she didn't even probably go to school. What is happening? This coin. She probably went to school for and went to university, and this is what's happening with her grammar. That's just sad, Granny. Granny, that's. Oh, hold on. There's no key card, but there's some fat stacks. Is there a key card? No key card. I think we have to unlock. I mean, there's a USB drive. What is it? Oh, I touched 6 paintings. Okay. What's this? Yeah, let's go put it in. Bro, what you do? What do I do? Guess Granny turned on the TV again. I'm Spider-Man. Hit people with the frying pan. Oh, dude, damn. Wait, is this sticky or something? home. F A C. What does that say? Yep. Comment W in the chat if you think my piano lessons were good, and comment L in the chat in the comment section if you think it was bad. What happened to you? I was up there the whole time. Oh. Come on. Get up. Come on. What should we name him? Comment a name in the chat. Not the chat. I'm not streaming. Comment a name in the comment section and I will name him. He could be anything, like Bobby, Jeshua, I guess. Sesua. Come on, throw the one. Let's throw their hands. John Cena slam. I mean, it's just tough love. Remember, it's just tough love. Tough love. Like a rare one there where he turns his heart into hot. Randy, you good, man? God, I didn't think he has a birthday. So you can just... Let's wake up Granny. Yeah, that's the one. As loud as possible. I actually am a dog fan in real life, but there's no I am a dog. I think that fish is still up there. I don't know. God, hold on, is that fish still up there? Oh, I can't even climb anymore. Ooh, what's this for? Oh, wait. Ah! That actually scared me, I'm not gonna lie. Ah, yep, he's still there. No! Guys, let's be good today and put him back where he belongs. Come on, don't worry, I'm not hurting him. If you're a fish fan, I'm not hurting him. I'm just simply doing what the cats would do with their younglings. They don't fully clench down when they're holding them. Go swim. Swim. Here's some fish food, by the way. Oh, I forgot about you. Hold on. For now, I'm gonna call you Bob. No, not Bob. How about Jacob? How about Jacob? Do you like that name? I mean, can't talk, but I guess I'll call you Jacob. Does that make sense? Do you want me to call you Jacob? Do you want me to call you Jacob? Oh, there it is! I got it! Do you want me to call you Jacob? You want me to call you Jacob? Huh? You want me to call you Jacob? You want me to call you Jacob? You want me to call you Jacob? Don't get at me. I'm your freaking dad. Oh. Freaking dad. Dare get angry at me. You're lucky you let it go. I think the sensors are over here. Yeah, the sensors are there. Come on, guys. Sorry for my guardian, by the way. It's just like way too bad. Just gotta keep me safe, alright? Soon I'll expand it probably once I get into it. Thank God. Let's go! Trick shot! Out of put some LeBron James or something. It's okay, you don't need to if you don't want to, but maybe put some LeBron James edit. I'm pretty sure we turn on the stove, or if we if we open the fridge. Oh wait. Oh. Hold on, fridge. So if you hear Cuphead like in the background, like Cuphead and Netflix show. Yeah? No, Dad said I could. Oh, sorry guys, I have to go. Yeah, sorry guys, bye.